And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 21, verse 22 up to 24. About this time, Abimelech and his army commander Pikol said to Abraham, God blesses everything you do. Now, I want you to promise in the name of God that you will always be loyal to me and my descendant just as have always been loyal to you in this land where you live as a foreigner. And so Abraham promised. So in this passage, we can see that King Abimelech already acknowledges that indeed Abraham was blessed by God in everything he did, and he go to Abraham just to make Abraham his ally, and he already demanded the loyalty of Abraham because he knew that if he fight with Abraham, he will be defeated because God is with Abraham. And of course, King Abimelech also secured the future of his descendants to be an ally of Abraham. See, the Lord allow Abraham to be powerful to the point that even the king Abimelech acknowledged him.